and welcome to this YouTube video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a short clip from my Get to Know Your Camera course. The reason I'm doing this is to give you a little bit of information that is provided in the course for free, but also to give you a little bit of a taste of what my courses are like, what it's like to work with me. If you do want more information on the course, the link is in the description, so make sure you go and check that out. And if you do have any questions, just drop them in the comments here for me. So let's get started. Filters. So filters are a piece of glass which you just screw onto the front of your camera. And they create different effects. So there's many different types of filters. You could have a UV filter, which is basically just a piece of glass that filters out the UV lights and stops that from getting inside your lens. This doesn't really have much effect on the actual look of your photo, but these are often used to protect your camera. So UV light can actually affect your camera over a period of time. It's also great for actually protecting the lens. So if you're someone that's maybe a little bit clumsy and drops things quite often, having a UV filter on the front of your lens is a really great idea, because if you get a scratch on the filter, it's much cheaper to replace the filter than it is to replace the lens. Other types of filters, you can have a neutral density filter. This is kind of like a pair of sunglasses. So again, there's different types of neutral density filters, and they basically darken the image or reduce the amount of light that is coming through the lens. So these are great if you want to be using longer shutter speeds. For example, you've probably seen those silky waterfall photos. They're often done using a neutral density filter. Again, if you want to learn more about that, drop something in the comment section below and I can explain that in more detail for you. Finally, the polarizing filter. What this does is it tends to add a little bit of contrast and saturation to your images. So I really like using a polarizing filter on landscape photography, because it really helps if I've got, say, a blue sky or a green hill or something. It really helps to separate that blue sky and that green hill, really makes them stand out and contrast from each other. Okay, so that was the clip from my Get to Know Your Camera course. I hope that you found it useful. If you did, make sure you go and check out the full course. Again, the link is in the description for that. I will also be doing some more of these videos as well, so check out the playlist on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.